Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show where I talk about today. You got it. I got the shots, but it's a total miss shot afterwards. Yeah, one of these days, you get the right Bluetooth mic and the right camera that connects to the right Bluetooth that does the right job. Maybe I should have called this the right. That's how things work today. Today you see in the background the park rangers are walking, but I want to be elsewhere. You think I can make it down this slide here? Oh yeah, I went down the slide and let's get on out of here. Walk to the bike. Oh yeah, man. So yeah, today I had a good time. Mr. Pig gave me that look. I'm getting on out of here. Let's get on down to the water. Mr. Squirrel. Yeah, man. I tell you, what a day it is. The sun ain't out, but it's trying to come on out. That's today. Well, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed the show. Catch you on the next one. All right, what do we got here?